Okay, so I want to make this short video and show you how to download the recordings of our lessons. There goes. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you can see my Skype. So here we are. This is Skype. Why can't I move it? I'm gonna move Skype. There we go. I'm gonna move this little window. So this is our today's lesson. As you can see, a few minutes after the lesson is ended, the recording of today's lesson becomes available. And when you scroll up the chat, you're going to see the history of all our lessons. You could see that it says here today. So this is everything we've learned today, all the downloads, all the text, all the attachments. And this is our previous lesson on August the 31st. If you're going to scroll up, you're going to get to all the previous lessons. Okay. August 26th, etc. So how do we save the recordings? If you're just going to play the video, it's going to play the video. However, notice on this top right-hand corner, there are 3 dots. That's a menu. It says more options. When you click on it, a drop-down menu appears and you want to save it. Now, my folder where I save things, it's called downloads. You could create a new folder and name it any way you want. Notice you also have an option, save as. Let's choose this one. I recommend you save things to the cloud, because if you do this on your phone really quickly, it's going to take up all your memory, because an hour of recording is a really big file. So what you do is you hover, you go to this top hand corner, click on the 3 dots, the menu appears, you do save as, and then you choose your cloud or your desktop or any folder that you want, your memory, your external hard drive. You can even whatever you want to do, wherever you want to save it, go ahead and save that there. All right. That's it. That's how you save videos. And also this is exactly how you save, for example, attached PDF, the same thing, more options. Click on it, drop down menu, you do save as, and it brings you again to the cloud, to desktop, to your device, to whatever, anywhere you want to save it. All right, email me if you have any questions.